Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce you to the Fifine streamer setup. We got 3 more items from Fifine, plus our 2, that makes a total of 5. I'm speaking to you through the Fifine K688 right now, and it's on the BM88 arm. I'm gonna open these up for you, and then we're gonna get them hooked up, and then we're gonna have our ultimate budget Fifine gamer streamer. Here we go. What have we got here, mate? What have we got? What we got? Ooh, look at that. Amplify your freaking game. Ooh, I like that it's like more flat, like a keyboard. It's like the same angle as a keyboard. Very nice. Anything else? Anything else in here? Nope, just a power cord, little cable management tie, Type C to Type 2, whatever. First thing we're going to kind of go over briefly is the controller. So it's the D6 control deck, $78.99, and the Elgato one's $150. So it's about double. The only thing that I've really noticed the difference between being is that the Fifine version has like a ring around it that has RGB, which is really cool. The angle is nice. Having like the fixed flat angle is really useful. And it's also, the buttons are a lot bigger, and I have big hands, so I kind of like it. Now I want to kind of show you like the software and how easy it is to use. If you ever use a Stream Deck one, they're essentially the same thing. So I'll pull up the Elgato one here. The Elgato, here we have our profiles. I have my Stream Deck here, and then you have all the little stuff you can drag over here. And then, so that's the Stream Deck app. That's the basic essentials of how a controller app works. So then I'll show you the Fifine one. So if you're familiar with Stream Deck, Elgato software, it's pretty similar. You have your default scene and your scenes, and then you have your device, which I just have the one here. And then you could do the same exact thing. Like here's hotkey. You could take the hotkey, drag it over, assign a button. We got a little smiley face. We'll use that one. How about that? Does that work? All right. So this is the Fifine. It's essentially the same thing. Now I know if I want to crouch, I'll hit the little smiley face. Bada bing, bada boom, and we're done. So as you can see, Fifine is clearly compensating for something. Theirs is a little bit bigger, and by a little bit I mean a lot, but they're both 15 buttons. This would be more likely used kind of next to your keyboard as an extension of your keyboard. So it'd have to be like really up close to you, like here, and then the keyboard would be like here. One small difficulty with this would probably be like being able to see. If you had it kind of far back, maybe you could get like a little stand, you know, like maybe 3D print, or just like put something a couple of inches taller there in case you wanted to. Or maybe they could implement kind of like a kick leg here. You know how they have on the back of keyboards? Maybe they could make one long enough with a little rubber foot on it, kind of flip out like that. If you wanted to, that would be kind of cool. I don't think that would be too expensive to add. Something to think about in the future. So overall, I think they did a pretty good job. So that's the essentials for the Fifine D6 control deck. I really like it. I think it's a good competitor for the Elgato Stream Deck. And then on to the next item. I guess we'll go over we'll check out the mixer real quick. We got the SC3 gaming audio mixer for gaming and live streaming. Switchable RGB, customized sound effect, individual channel control. Okay, so we got the mixer here. I don't have the best, lighting, but you get the idea. It's got different colors. I have the headphones plugged in. We'll show you those in a second. You can also plug the XLR back here. A couple more headphone ports for monitoring various things. You have your phantom 48 volt power there. And then on the front here, you have a change voice button. You got your you have 4 custom keys that you can do whatever you want with. You got 2 mutes here. You got a mic monitor and another mute. And then you have 4 sliders for your various stuff. This kind of thing sort of replaces the sound card in like your motherboard, as opposed to plugging in headphones and your microphone into your computer itself. You just plug this thing into your computer, the mixer, and then you plug all your sound related equipment like your mic and your headphones into the mixer. Instead of in the windows with your mouse, you can control the level of your headphones with this knob right here. It's pretty cool. Like the headphones that I have plugged in, if I want to turn it up, then I'll just lift this up, and then you can see it going up in the little indicator there. And there's my headphones. You see the little headphone symbol? There's my headphone sound. And then I have my mic sound right here. You can see the mic symbol here. And then you just have your mute. And there you go. All right, and last up we have, well, if we go mate, that looks ugly. That's not very aesthetic. And last up, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Fifine Ampli-Game H9 wired gaming headset. Immersive audio experience, high sound quality, 7.1 virtual surround sound, powerful 50mm audio drivers, compatible with Windows and Mac. There's the side. There's the other side. Here's the back. As you can see, slim, cool gaming headset. That's a feature. Lightweight cushions, USB control box, clear audio quality, braided cable, plug and play, flexible adjustment, adjustable headband, and detachable mic. One 3.5mm gaming headset, one USB control box, one detachable microphone, and one user's manual. All right, so I mean, just like first impressions, I like these. They're super cute. I like the little smiley face. The little smiley face is really all I need. You got an L and an R. The foam is respectable, cleanable. Not like the ones that I have now where they're made of like carpet and you can't clean them, but they feel really soft. They do seem a bit on the small side. I have a massive head, but we can adjust them. Didn't break anything. So far, so good. Okay, so the padding is good. It fits around my ear. The only thing is like the speaker inside is kind of like up against my ear. But like I said, I have big ears, so it is what it is. I don't know if these are supposed to light up. I don't think so. But so now I have that plugged in. I have the headphones plugged in back here. And then I can control the headphone sound here. I'm going to change my audio source. I can kind of listen to it. But these are actually pretty good. I can't lie. Like if you can if you have like shallow ears that don't like point out, like a wild animal like me, if they're just like flat against your head, then these are good to go. Okay, so these are right now $32.29 on sale from its usual $37.99. Okay, actually very, very, very usable headphones for $38 actually. So as you can see on the Fifine headphones, you got this nice stitching on the top, which kind of helps connect like the leather and the foam here, which is a nice foam. Oh, so we'll go ahead and grab, we're going to grab my Razer headphones, which are like the original headphones that I started out YouTube with. These are the Razer headphones. And the main thing that you'll notice is that there's a tear here. As you can see, what they did was they just kind of like glued it together here, or maybe like put this part over this, but there's no stitching or anything like that because the top part here is plastic. So this is kind of what you get when you don't have the fancy stitching, and that's pretty much it. Wow. Okay, so we got the mixer, we got the control deck, which you can use for the editing. We got the arm right here. Do whatever you want with it. Got the mic. Obviously, it sounds good. That thing was $50. I don't have a complaint yet. What are we complaining about? Okay, let's try the XLR for the mic, and we'll see how that sounds. Yeah? Okay, let's do that. I'm gonna monitor. Oh, hey, holy shit, that sounds good. Okay, so here we go. This is with XLR. Maybe I'll throw in a voice changer.
What's up? It's your boy. I don't know what this sounds like, but here's a voice changer.
Looks like here's another voice changer. This one's another one.
Okay, I don't know what's going on anymore.
Okay, I think we're back to normal. All right, so yeah, I have the gain turned up all the way. XLR input. I got the headphones connected. Everything's connected to this thing. And my mic sounded really good. We're gonna talk about the mic real quick. Looking at the windscreens, because we're trying to figure out why it sounded better, why it was like cutting out my breathing and different little sounds in my mouth that I make. We're trying to figure out why, and we looked at the windscreen, which is the little foam thing that you get with the Shure. We might have to just show some after shots or some footage of this real quick, but maybe I can show it on camera for you guys. How absolutely thin this windscreen, the Shure one, is compared to this one. Okay, there's the thick one. And we'll grab the Shure mic. Do you see the difference? You can't even see it. Look at how bright that is. You can just see straight through this thing. So there you go. That's why the foam is better. I don't know, man. It's just good, plain and simple. Here we go. This is the full loadout we got to work with here. The Ampli Game, Stream Deck, Fifine, mixer, headphones, microphone, and microphone arm. All black, beautiful. When I look at that, I sure feel fine. Highly recommend all these items. I'll leave the links for everything down in the description. Thank you, Fifine, for sponsoring this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my other Fifine video right here. And then I have a tech review playlist up here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye-bye.